Wilton over here. Without much traveling going on these days, I finally have a little more time to sit down and think through how to grow and scale the business. And one of the big things I've been focusing on lately is an updated org chart. And when's the last time you updated org chart? And we are approaching almost 60 employees and we're continuing to scale. So having an org chart is more and more critical. And this is our org chart over here at RimRim Marketing. And the trick to putting together the org chart, first of all, is to identify the roles, not plug in, not mentioning, hey, how many employees you have, and start putting to an org chart. Is first of all, you got to put together the roles and responsibilities first. For example, you need somebody in charge of marketing. You need somebody who does fulfillment. Somebody is in charge of marketing, sales, things like that. So first of all is put together the main roles and responsibilities first, and then afterwards is then to put in their names in there. And sometimes people call this the accountability chart rather than the org chart. And you will see some teams, there will be more people reporting to one single person. And some of these are individual contributor roles over here. But the main trick here in the beginning is to put together the major roles and responsibilities. Then thereafter you plug in the employee's name in there. By doing this first, putting your roles and responsibilities first, then you start to see holes over there. And what my recommendation for you is to first of all draw your existing org chart. Again, step one is put in the roles and responsibilities. Step two is plugging your employees in there. Then you'll start to see, hey, where you're missing, which key roles you're missing headcounts right now. Then, what I would recommend is to draw your year-end org chart and 3-year org chart. The 3-year org chart is very important. It allows you to start stepping back. Hey, 3 years from now, what my org chart should look like, so you can start hiring and also training existing employees who might want to step up. Right? Maybe that person should be stepping out to become a group leader, and that existing group leader can be stepping up to become a department manager or higher level. So that's kind of interesting. Is how many of you actually update your org chart? And I'm curious also what software you use to draw your org chart. I'm cheap, as many of you know, so I just use PowerPoint. I know there's softwares out there that can draw prettier org chart. But that's what our existing org chart looks like.